Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin hasn't given us a bottom signal yet of this high, and we talked already in the previous video about that. We have to expect further downside as long as we stay below 29k or 29.5. You know, these two levels would have given us initial signals that a bottom has been struck, but so far no such signal happened, and already highlighted to you in the previous video that I'm actually starting to prefer here a deeper retracement into a wave 2 area. Now it's getting clearer and clearer. Yeah, obviously the important level was the 27.8k level. That hasn't broken yet. That's the only reason why I'm not putting it on the chart, like, you know, wave 1 has already topped and we're coming down in wave 2. So the idea is wave 1 probably has a good chance that it topped here at the on the 14th of April, that we're now coming down in wave 2. But I need to see the 27.8k level break to confirm. Until then, it is still technically possible to get one more high. Yeah, if we get one more high, it would also be a chance here then with this one more high that wave 1 topped and we then come down. So either come down now or after one more high in this alternative wave 1. There are two possible, you know, topping structures. Yeah, two possible structures where price could find a top, either here and then we're already coming down in the large wave 2, or we make one more high. That's only really reasonably possible as long as we're holding 27.8k. That's why this level is so important. Could we still rally and escalate directly higher? Yes, but it's getting less and less likely at the moment. This is going a little bit into the background. And why is that? Well, already explained it to you yesterday, because we broke below the, I need to remember what was the price. I think it was 29.4k, yeah? Below 29.4k, that was the signal that something here isn't quite right. And you can see how well Elliott Wave gives us these signals, because Bitcoin was around 30k. Yeah, only dropped like, I think it was like 3-4%. And that gave us the signal that something is not quite right with the count. So, and since then we've dropped much further. So, you know, that's sort of the benefit of Elliott Wave. It gives us these invalidation levels. Now that we've dropped below that level and we're coming down close to that 27.8k level, we are really reaching a key point here. On the micro level, as I just showed you, we have no indication we have bottomed yet, and it might very well come down lower. Again, 27.8 will be quite important support, and we've got quite a bit of previous support here. Below that level, I will start to assume we come down deeper into this region between 22k and 25.3k. As long as we're holding 22k, we can then expect a rally in a third wave, because this would be a larger wave 1 then. The move between the 10th of March to this 14th of April high, and we're coming down in a wave 2. What would we be looking for? So, you know, what would we be looking for if we really break 27.8k? Well, I have already labeled it on the Ethereum chart like that, but ultimately it is reasonable in my opinion that we're forming an ABC structure here down into this wave 2 support area. A wave, yeah, then a B wave top here, and a C wave to the downside. And as long as we're holding 22k, we can still reasonably expect a third wave rally afterwards. Now, in an alternative count, this here could be a bearish top, and we will, if we break below 22k, of course, then this would send us down lower to retest the 10th of March low, but we're not there yet. First of all, this is the, you know, the count that I'm observing at the moment, because it seems reasonable for now. Seems to be the next likely option that's on the table here. Of course, more bearish patterns are possible as well, because the most imminent bullish structure has now not been invalidated but become less likely due to the drop below the 29.4k level, which was important support a few days ago. So breaking below these levels is always a warning. And we have these levels for a reason, because they tell us when we have to consider a change in perspective, and they tell us, oh, something is not quite right here. Yeah, and this is sort of the situation we're in. I think we have a good chance now. I mean, that 27.8k level is really only a couple of $100 away. So there's a good likelihood that this is eventually going to break, but we haven't broken it yet. So it is, all eyes need to be on that level. But the way we're coming down just now suggests to me there's a good chance we're breaking it. Yeah. Now again, how, you know, what are we looking for? We're looking for this ABC structure then, as I said, and we could just be working on this A wave. But I think we shouldn't be too far off to, you know, to bottom here then. If we do this, yeah, if we come down in this ABC, A wave, B wave, C wave into this wave 2 region, then a wave A will typically bottom in the region between the 38.2 fib level and the 50% fib level. So 26.7K could be a first real support for the A wave. No guarantee it will get there, but this would be what you can, in many cases, we see an A wave bottom at the 38.2 fib level, in this case 26.7K. And don't think it will go down in one straight line. You will get that B wave relief rally at some point before we come down further in wave C. And as soon as we have an A wave low, a B wave top, we can calculate the target for C. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.